Hello friends, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. My name is Justin, Sales Manager of K Hair, and today I will help you to distinguish the differences between virgin hair and Remy hair. This video will provide knowledge about virgin hair and Remy hair and compare them together to help you find out which one is more suitable for your needs. And if you want to know some secrets related to virgin and Remy hair, this video will reveal in some secret part, so please watch this video till the end. So are you ready? Let's get started right after this intro. Let's start with virgin hair. Hair that has never been chemically treated in any form, including dyeing, bleaching or perming, is considered as virgin hair. Because of this, individuals who wish to dye their hair trendy hues like white, blonde or pink will find virgin hair to be the finest options. In order to ensure that cuticles of the hair remain intact and always face the same directions, virgin hair is often gathered from a single donor. To have a significant volume of hair harvest from a single donor is a challenging task. As a result, virgin hair commands the highest price and is the rarest of all hair forms. And this is a secret that maybe you don't know. Vietnamese hair is one of the best virgin hair source. On my hand right now is Vietnamese virgin hair from K Hair Factory. As you can see, they are all silky and shining. And there is no tangle at all. Moving on to Remy hair, despite its reputation as virgin hair, most Remy hair has been chemically treated or colored. Considering its great quality and low cost, Remy hair extensions have quickly become the industry standard for human hair extensions. However, Remy hair is taken from more than one donor, maybe from 2 or 3 donors or even more. But Remy hair also brings a good quality because it has been carefully gathered from healthy donors. So each strand has unbroken cuticles that lie in the same directions. If the processing done correctly, it may reduce tangle in hair to minimum. Although K Hair Factory only sells the best quality hair, Vietnamese virgin hair, but I'm having some Remy hair from a China factory. This product has a lot of baby hairs and they look frizzy and not shining as virgin hair. And as you can see, they are easily to get tangled. Through my explanations, you can see that there are two main similar things between virgin hair and Remy hair. First, virgin hair and Remy hair are 100% human hair. Secondly, virgin hair and Remy hair are appreciated with the cuticle intact with hair strand arranged in one direction from root to tip, which may prevent the hair from tangling. And there are 4 main differences between virgin hair and Remy hair. First, virgin hair donors have never used chemical treatments, whereas Remy hair donors may have used them to color, relax or style their hair. When compared to virgin hair, Remy hair is more affordable and easier to buy. It's more costly, but virgin hair lasts longer and look more natural than Remy hair. Virgin hair comes from 1 donor only, while Remy hair comes from 2 to 3 donors. And those are the similarities and differences between virgin hair and Remy hair. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. I will leave my phone number here. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair. Thank you and see you again.